In this video, I simply want to show you how to remove and how to install a battery in your DJI Mini 4K. So this is the front of the drone where the camera is. If you turn it around, this will be the back. The battery is hidden right under this small door. And to open it, you're going to stick your finger. I don't know if you see, there's a small space over there. Stick your nail and open this flap. Then you're going to notice the battery has a latch. This is the latch, the one I'm pressing right now. Press on it and extract it out of the drone. Now to put a new battery, take it. You're going to notice that the battery has a sticker on one side and on the other side has a line. The line should point down. So hold it like this and simply bring it until it clicks in place. Then you can close the door, and this is about it. If you want to charge the drone, you're going to plug a USB Type-C cable right over here. The USB Type-C that you charge your phone is good as well. The one that you charge your computer, most computers these days are charging using a USB Type-C. And this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.